Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how to implement a theme negotiator in Drupal 9, or this tutorial is applicable on Drupal 8 application as well. So a theme negotiator is a way with which we can change an active theme for a respective page based on custom logic. For an example, if you have a website and you want to implement or render a page with specific theme which is different from the theme of your overall site, so you can implement or do that with the help of theme negotiator. So I would not, or I don't want to give you guys a way with which you have to remember each function how you have to implement this, but I just wanted to give you the secret as in how I implement and explore things in Drupal. So most of the things which you ever face or implement in Drupal are already implemented in Drupal core. So for this also I'll be using user module of Drupal core as an example to implement a theme negotiator. So I am in the core uh, of my project now, modules, and then user, and then here I can see theme negotiator in the service.yml file. Yeah. So I'll be implementing one by one and will explain you guys about each property. So for that I have a custom module called Drupal hacks, and I'll create a service.yml file. And now I'll change the name to Drupal hacks. Here the Drupal hacks module name, and Drupal hacks theme negotiator. Arguments in a service. If you guys don't know about the service argument, these are used to pass the services automatically in the constructor. So we don't need these services as we are not implementing complex logic here. The important thing for implementing a theme negotiator is this tag. So whenever you're implementing or creating a theme negotiator, you have to add a tag here. This way we are telling that whenever there is a class, there is a page loading, and then call all the services which are implementing this theme negotiator, then there is priority. This tells about the priority. So in a project there could be multiple theme negotiator, so this priority tells about what would be the, or which theme negotiator would be the deciding factor, or whether your theme negotiator would be called first or at what level. So if you have a requirement where you have to call your negotiator at first, then define it as 1000, which is the maximum, and then we are almost done. Then we'll create this theme negotiator file inside the theme folder. So new folder, theme. So I'm creating folders, so you guys can see this is theme. Now I'll create a new file. Now I'll save this file, theme negotiator.php. Again I'll use user module for reference, as in what to fill in this class. So I'll go to this source of user module and then theme. I'll copy it and I'll paste it, and then I'll change the name of the class to Drupal Hex Theme Negotiator. This is setting the active theme of front page. I don't need these many classes. Drupal Hex, and then since I am not injecting any service inside my this service, so I'll not be using any constructor. So for this class theme negotiator, we need only two methods. This applies, and the second method is determine active theme. First method decides whether to implement this theme negotiator for the page based on your custom logic. And then this, if it returns true, this returns boolean. So if it returns true, the next method of that negotiator will be called, which is determine active theme, which returns the name of the active theme. And if it returns false, then Drupal moves to the next theme negotiator. So we don't need much of this stuff. So we'll return 7 theme. We don't have any specific theme created for this demo, so I'll be using 7 theme. And for applies logic, we are simply going to change the theme for on home page, so not a complex logic. So for this, um, route name. So this applies method has an argument of route match. We can use it to get the route name. Get route name. And then, sorry, yeah, route name. And then change it to return route name. My front route name of my, or we can check it, what we can check it. False. Let's now enable the module and see what it would do. Yeah, so the module is enabled. So you can see this is my front page right now. I'll simply go and print the route here. Route name, and then we'll see what it will return. Okay, this didn't do anything. Let's figure out what's the problem here. Let's clear the cache. um I don't have admin toolbar. Okay, it is returning. So it is working actually, but it is returning the cached page to me. Okay, let's undo this for now and then clear the cache. Or we can use brush to clear the cache. Cache is done. I'll simply go sorry, let's clear the cache again. I commented the print statement. Okay, so this is the route name of my front page. I'll write the logic here like return route name. So if route name is this, which is of the front page, then return true, as in to call the determine active theme function, which will tell the active theme name, machine name, else return false. So, and this is it. Okay, so you can see it is loading the 7th theme for my front page, and earlier it was loading the batik theme. So that's how you can create. And on this page, this class was returning or working. Now it is not, it is returning the normal 7th theme. Let's check out other pages. So this page is returning a normal batik theme. Let's check out over here on this incognito window. It is again returning the batik theme. So my theme negotiator is working on this page only. So thank you.